Hey there, and welcome to another 50Express tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to make an easy, delicious, and soft concha using our 50Express Bizcocho mix in the shape of a heart, perfect for any special occasion. So put on your aprons and let's get started. You will need the following ingredients: 2 pounds of 50Express Bizcocho mix, 5.76 ounces Hi Gluten Flour, 0.95 ounces of instant dry yeast, 4.8 ounces of whole eggs, 10.56 ounces of water. Put all dry ingredients into a mixing bowl and combine at low speed. Add the hook attachment and begin combining dry ingredients. Slowly add your whole eggs, and this is optional, but you can add a splash of vanilla. Slowly begin to pour in the water and mix for 1 to 2 minutes at low speed until fully incorporated. Increase the speed to medium-high and mix for 10 to 12 minutes. The dough should be sticky and soft. Scoop out the dough onto a bench using a dough scraper. Grease a large bowl. Ball and round the dough and let it rest for 1.5 to 2 hours. Cover it completely. Keep it in a warm place until it doubles in size. To make the concha paste, add 8 ounces of vegetable shortening, 7 ounces of powdered sugar, and 7 ounces of all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. Use the paddle attachment. Incorporate all ingredients at low speed for 2 minutes. If we're adding color, stop the mixer and add in a few drops of your desired soft gel color. I'm using Strawberry Red by 50Express. Mix at medium speed for about 4 minutes until the topping is formed and fully colored. Another option is to incorporate the color by kneading it with your hand. Now that our dough has doubled in size, punch the dough to release air bubbles. Fold it over and divide the dough in half. Roll out the dough using a rolling pin. Roll about 3/4 of an inch thick. I'm using a 2-inch heart cutter to cut out little heart-shaped conchas. Place the conchas 1.5 inches apart on a pan lined with a baking mat or parchment paper. Lightly grease the tops with vegetable shortening. As the hearts are resting for an additional 10 minutes, begin rolling out the concha paste. Using a rolling pin, roll them out, and using the same heart-shaped cutter, cut the tops off to put on your conchas. Now we can take our concha stamp and we can stamp all of the conchas using the traditional shell top. For a more traditional concha, You can make mini dough balls that weigh 1.5 ounces. These are perfect bite-sized conchas. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the conchas 10 to 15 minutes until the edges are golden brown. Once they're baked to that golden brown perfection, cool them slightly and now they're ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Try this recipe yourself and let us know what you think. For more 50Express videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. To find these items at a retailer near you, go to 50expressonline.com. See you next time.